gotta put some lotion on, guys. That Japanese cherry blossom. I actually get these free at Bath and Body Works. Yeah, my hands are really dry. It is in need of some TLC. Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing wonderful, and today we're going to talk about my opinions on new products that I'm testing out. Okay, they're new products to me though, because I'm always late, guys. I'm not gonna go crazy for YouTube. Okay, I get to them when I can. So these are newer products. It depends, they're not all new, but most of them are just new to me. Yeah, so if you want to know my opinions on the products that I'm about to show you guys, please do stay tuned. The timestamp will be on screen. I will introduce myself in French like always. You guys already know the drill, and I will see you guys very soon. Okay, so don't go anywhere. Stay put on that phone, baby, or that tablet, or that TV, whatever you watch me on. Please do stay tuned. Salut à tous, salut! J'espère que vous allez très bien, et aujourd'hui on parle des produits qui sont nouveaux par rapport à moi. Quoi, c'est pas des produits qui sont sortis de nos jours là. D'autres sont sortis il y a quelques mois, d'autres qui sont anciens, mais c'est maintenant que j'essaie vraiment de le tester. D'après tout, YouTube, c'est pas la course, hein. On y va doucement. Donc voilà, si vous êtes intéressé par les produits que j'ai testés récemment, je vous donne mon opinion tout à l'heure en anglais. Et comme toujours, vous savez bien que les détails des produits que j'aime, je mets toujours sous la barre d'infos sur mon blog. Et si vous désirez acheter ces produits, je vous en prie, toutes les informations sous la barre d'infos comme d'hab. Et je vous remercie énormément pour votre soutien. Et comme toujours, on se voit à la prochaine vidéo, si prête à Dieu. Merci encore de beaucoup prier. Et ciao les amis, bye bye. Alright, my beauty queens and my beauty kings, welcome back. So like I said, we're talking about things that are new to me. Some are older, some are new in the past couple of months, like I said. And like I always share with you guys, everything that I do like, I link them down below on my blog. So all the information that you need is always listed down below. So please do feel free to check out the information box. For any YouTuber, actually, it's very good to check out the information box. You'll be amazed at what you can learn from there. So without further ado, we're gonna get right into the new products that I've tested recently. So thank you for bearing with me. Let go. You guys have seen this here. It's a trend on YouTube. It's been a trend on YouTube and Instagram. And actually, you can get these at anywhere. I got this one at Ulta. I actually want to get the brown one. It's really good when you're doing your makeup or you're doing like YouTube beauty videos. I really like that. Or a skincare routine. I mean, they're expensive, but you can find them really cheap at Marshalls and TJ Maxx or AliExpress or Amazon or anywhere. Just type it in and you will see different versions of it. And ooh, I love this one, guys. It's so cute, guys. Oh my god, I love it. I always wear these type of bands when I do my makeup daily. So I don't know, I just thought I'd share that with you guys. I use coupons, obviously, so you know, Ulta is always amazing. Just to show you guys, I have the bootleg versions. This one I got from AliExpress, but this one is a little bit too tight, but the more you wear it, it will stretch out. And this one I got from, I believe, Marshalls or TJ Maxx. Oh, Marshalls, and it was $4.99. So this pink one right here came out of this one. So they have a lot of them everywhere. It's so accessible and it's definitely helpful, but I would recommend getting ones that are darker in color because it will get dirty. So that's why I like the black and the brown, because you know, it's easier to clean. These get dirty so fast, but I love them. They're just so cute. And then when you're traveling and all that, I don't know, I just like them. So next product I'm loving is the Smashbox primer water. I would say wait for sales at Ulta. Ulta always has like amazing sales online daily or monthly, so I occasionally go on there and check out what they had, and they had this on sale for $16. I think the original price is $32, so they had it on sale for $50 off, and I attacked it. So I always get my stuff like that are high-end on sale, guys. Don't try to race with things, okay? Because they always come up with new things, they always go on sale. So I definitely love this. I've reviewed most of these products. I reviewed them on my blog. A lot of these products are all reviewed on my blog in detail, but this is amazing. I love it to set, I love it to refresh, and I love it to wear it alone. So I definitely think it's something to try if it's on sale. And like I said, that's just the packaging, and that is the bottle. I love it. I love setting sprays, guys. I actually have a video coming up on all these setting sprays that I've tried thus far. OMG, it's going to be a long one. So yeah, this is good to have if it's on sale. I don't know, I have a thing for Smashbox products, like the skincare products, the primers and the setting sprays. I don't know, I think they're just amazing. And this one is the Photo Finish Primerizer, and with this one I would say get the travel size, and that becomes cheaper than getting the bigger bottle. That's what I discovered mathematically. So I would get 2 of the small ones, and it's cheaper than getting the bigger bottle. So there you go. It's so nice, guys. I am loving this primer. It's so hydrating. I think it's good for any skin tone. So it's like a moisturizer and a primer in one. If you didn't want to do your ultimate skincare routine, you would love this, guys. This is amazing. Again, I always buy the travel size. I get 2 of them. It's cheaper than the price of 1, and yes, I love it. I know this is just a small size, but this is the Too Faced Hangover Primer. I think I've talked about this before. I got this in the Sephora Play box when I used to review them, and it just feels so cooling and refreshing as you apply it on the face. It's like the ultimate hydration with primers. I really do like it for that. I would buy it on sale because it is good, and I love the way it smells. It's more like a watery based primer, so if you don't like that, you might not enjoy it, but I like it. I think it's not watery in a way where it doesn't make my makeup like move. Like once it sets in, my makeup stays, so that's fine. So I do enjoy the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Primer. So yeah, another product I'm really loving is the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation. I'm looking for a darker shade than this. I feel like this is a little bit too golden. I need a little bit of olive in it, but this is fine, but I feel like it's too brightening, especially during the summer. So I think I want to get a different shade. Like I'll get a shade up from this one, and I think I'll be okay. This is Cappuccino, and the undertone here is neutral, but it's actually not neutral. I think it's too golden. And also I think I would love this with a pump. I love pumps. It makes it so easy. I think with this I apply too much product, and I also think it just leaks everywhere. It's not presentable. I don't like the aesthetic of all that. Can you guys just add pumps to it, L'Oreal, and it will be amazing. It's such a lightweight foundation. It's like your skin but better. It really is that. So I think Walmart and Target have more shades. I got mine at CVS, and obviously you guys know they don't carry a lot of shades. So great foundation to try, but you need a pump. There you go. Next is the Real Techniques Miracle Body Sponge. I think I've showed you guys this before. It's the big one, and I love it, guys, but I had to trash it because it just kept breaking apart. I don't know what's going on with all my Real Techniques sponge. The original side, the big one right here, as you can see, they all fall apart, and I just had to trash it. And I love it. If you're willing to buy or rebuy and repurchase, definitely try the big one. It's really good. I just love using it to apply like complexion product. I think it was amazing, but it doesn't last at all. It will cut open in half within 2 months. So I mean, you know, with the coupons it's okay, with the sales at Ulta it's okay, or Bed Bath & Beyond coupons it's okay, but it's not worth like rebuying. But it's so good that like I'm tempted to get it again, but again mine is gone because I had to trash it because it was broken. So there you go on this one. Next we have the NYC Liquid Eyeliner. I think this is the OG of liners, like for YouTubers, especially the ones that have been here for a long time. It's a really good dark like pitch black. It's liquid, and it's really hard to apply for beginners. I wouldn't recommend this for beginners. I think this was discontinued at some point, so definitely it will be hard to find. But you see how fine that brush is. It's really hard for beginners, but this right here stays put, lasts all day. I think it's about $3. I don't know if they brought it back, but this was an amazing liner. I'm gonna declutter mine because I've had it for too many years. It's not working as well. But when it was, that's all I was wearing. It's amazing. I love the NYC Liquid Liner. If I can find the link, I'll also link it. But yeah, that is it with this one, guys. Next we have the E.L.F Primer Infused Blush. Everyone is raving about E.L.F blushes, and I never got to try them really. And they have the new primer infused one, and everybody's like, oh my god, this is so good, it lasts so well, it shows on dark skin. And the color I have here is Always Spicy, and it's like a really nice, I wouldn't say, it's like a warm color, right? You can build this up like nicely. So I like that. Some of my blushes, I just dab into it and it just goes like, whoa, hello, how you doing, I'm right here. Whereas this one, I like it because it shows lightly and you can build it up to what you like. And for the price, at 50% off, I cannot go wrong. It's a newer product that just came out, so this is a good one if you want to try. Yeah, you can use it as a blush or a bronzer. I think it's really, really pretty. And we have the E.L.F Total Face Sponges, guys, at 50% off. You cannot go wrong, guys. I love it so much. I got 2 of them. I think I mentioned this to you guys before, but these are amazing. As you can see, I'm always using them. They're dirty, guys. You will love this. For I think it's like $4, and then on sale it's like $2. And these are just amazing. They have not slit open on me. They just apply your makeup so well. Just wet it, let it, you know, open up and expand, and you will be amazed. Like, I want to get so many of them because I love it that much. So again, it's a newer product. Get it and thank me later, honey. Okay, last but not least, we have the Colored Raine eyeshadow palette. I was looking for like a rainbow theme palette, and this is one of them that I got. It's all matte. I got mine on sale, and I do not, oh my god, even for full price, I think it's so good. But again, for those of us who are on a budget and trying to be more on the minimalist journey, we want to get everything on sale and wait for them. So the packaging is just so gorgeous. It brings me to life, especially when I'm having a bad day. I love playing with colors. That when things come with the mirror, sign me up, baby, sign me up. Every palette by now should have a mirror, and look at those beautiful shades, y'all. Like, it is so pretty. But what I would tell you about this is almost like a pastel type of application. It's not like, it's full pigment once you build it up, but once you blend it, it seems more of like a pastel consistency, so it fades away. So you have to keep building and keep building and keep building. So it's really for people who are talented, because if not, you will look crazy, or you will feel like it's not showing off. So, you know, build, pack it on, and then blend, pack it on, and then blend. I think on the third blend, you're gonna get like a nice gradient. I love that. It does have fall out a little bit, so just, you know, put powder on under your eye before you start, or just clean it up after. Do your eyes first before you do your foundation. So other than that, this is an amazing palette, guys. I just love it. I've done so many looks with it. Love it. So yeah, guys, so that is it for this palette. Let me know if you've tried it as well. And that is all for my current new favorites that I'm testing, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any other recommendations for me, I'll be glad to hear from you. If you've tried these products as well, comment down below. Let's share how we feel together, and I hope to see you guys soon. Don't forget to always praise God. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Mwah, ciao, bye.
So when they put you to the test, just do your best and let God do the rest. And enemies stress, I'm a living witness, I'm the proof. Nothing is impossible, and that's the truth. You can achieve if you plan to. If I can make it, man, you can too.